Model, 64 Plate Renault Master Movano 2.3 125.35 lWb fully working fridge van Vat Inclusive. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 209,490. MOT, the 10th of July 2026. Engine, 2298 cc DCI 2.3 125 bhp E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning, lights on the dash, starts and drives brilliantly, only one former keeper, loads of MOT, excellent runner, fridge unit is in fully working order, absolute bargain with VAT included in the price, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle.